welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're going to be looking at extension leads and how to safely connect a cable or extension lead together so it's safe and it's usable and practical. So this was an extension lead which there are actually two extension leads. One I bought it and I used that the other end with this end, and another one I bought and used that the other at this end. So basically for something else. And so we're just going to connect them together to make a sort of, I think it's about 10 metre extension cable. So I did that in the short term just with these Wago connectors, which are really good, and normally you'd have a cover over that, but the covers for the Wago boxes are really like big square boxes, which isn't very practical for an extension lead, and this is obviously going to go in the socket. What I did was I had a look on the internet and I found these. I'm really pleased. Found these little ones here. So I wanted something that's waterproof and fairly attractive. So I found these little things here. So that we're going to use that. So these are waterproof here and here, which means that once that's all tightened up and sealed, that's a complete waterproof unit. I don't need to worry about that. And it's nice and neat. So I'll put a link to these in the description if anyone's interested in them, but they're, I think they're about a couple of euros each, but really good. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do with these. So these come undone here, like this, look. There we are. And then you've got your little connector block here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take these Wago connectors off and connect this cable up properly. Well, see, these are great, these Wago connectors for short-term things, and also to keep that safe, because you know you've got kids around. I don't want anyone just plugging that into a socket and suddenly you've got live connectors there. So they're good to make it safe. So now what we're going to do is set this up to use it. So as with always with these things, you've got to be really careful to remember to put this end on, or one of these ends on, before you start doing anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this end on here, in there, that end like that. Oh, it's going to be a good fit. There we are. I don't know how far that needs to go yet, so I'm going to leave it like that. Let me just make sure I've got that on the right way. Yeah, the cut there is the short one there, right? So then this one, need to do the same on this side. Put the outer one on first. Because trust me, there'll be loads of times when you get these all connected up and then realise you haven't put these out. Bloody hell, that is going to be waterproof. Ain't going to get anywhere with that. Right, so I've got these two here, but the end, there we are. So that goes like that, look, and that would go up like that, and then as you tighten that down, cool, it's going to be tight. Yeah, that's going to be a good fit. It's going to be lovely. Okay, so that then leaves us with this. And you've got to make sure that obviously that this end is the bigger circle, the bigger hole, so that you can get that inside it. Right, so then what we're going to do is twist these nice and neat. Now you should, I've already done that, because when I make sure they're all nice and level, you've got a good bit of thing there. Now we need to look at how that connection block is from there to there. So we need to make sure that, okay, we need to shorten these off a little bit. Got some pliers here. Shorten that off a little bit. 1, 2, 3, like that. So they're a bit shorter. Just clean them up like that. Make sure they're twisted. Alright, so now let's put, oh, they fit in there nicely. And what I'm going to do is just tell you what I want to do. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it just so that I get it right. So if you see what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that like that, and then imagine that's in. If I put a little mark there, I need to, then that'll tell me that that's, look, been pushed in there completely far enough. So then I'll transfer that distance onto that one, and then again onto that one. So then I'll know, I'll put my lid on there, and I'll know that they're being pushed in far enough. Yep. So if I push that one in, there we are. So you see it goes up to that line, then I know it's in far enough. It's a bit over the top, but I like to make sure it's all in there safe and sound, and we'll tighten that one up. There we are. Yeah, and let's put the neutral in. All right. Make sure that you've undone these. Yeah, so that's in there now. So I know it's up to that mark. That's in there nicely. Let's just got the last one to go, which we'll put in that one there. Where's the mark? You see, look, that's not in. What's that? Why is that? Oh, look, that's telling me that this isn't. I forgot to undo that all the way. Yeah, so that's out now. Where's the mark? Yeah. There we are. So the mark's all the way there. Which means if I tighten that up. Just check they're all done on that side. Right, that's good. So that side's in. Now, let's put the other side in. So we need to do I don't need to put the mark on this because these aren't so far down. But what I am going to do is just clean up. Let's clean a bit off these again. 1, 2, 3. Right, now make sure you get them in the right way. Let's do the earth to start with. There we are. Let's tighten that one up. Just take that little bit there off that's there. Okay. There's that one. Right, that needs to be backed out. Right. Those two are done. Earth and earth. Right, just double check. Now we need to put this one in here. Undo that one again. Oh, that's gone in there. Lovely. Right, just go around and check that they're all done up tightly. Yeah. Right, so now we're done it. So now what we can do is undo this one here. I can just slide that up so it hits there, and then we can slide this one up. So then what we can do there, look, let's put that on there. I tighten that up. Put that on there, tighten that up. So look, you can see that's all sealed there. It's lovely. Just do that hand tight, look. So that's pushing out the end a little bit there. Look, then we know that's totally sealed. Now we need to do the same. Bollocks. Now that's exactly what I was trying to say. So I've just gone and forgotten to put that on there. So I've got now to got to take that all off and put it on. Foul short of my own. Didn't heed my own warning. Well, let me just undo that and put that centre section in there. I'll be back. All right, so I've connected that bit in. So now it's just a case of tightening this centre section up. Not stupidly tight, that's going to be tight enough to like that. And then we can slide these bits down. Now these are designed to fit different sizes of cable. So if your cable's slightly thinner or thicker, it will fit in. Here you are. But this is quite a thick cable because it's an extension cable. All right, we start tightening this one up. It's nice and sealed there, and we'll do the same on this one. Interesting. It's in there now. Just do it by hand. Should be plenty tight enough. That. There, look. That's sealed. That's sealed. Look at that. It's a lovely job. Totally sealed. That's going to be all right. So now we've got an extension lead that is all connected up, totally safe to be used outside in all weather conditions with water on it. So yeah, hope that video's helped you. I do really recommend these connectors here. You get a pack of 3 for I think it was €8 or €9. So I can do some more other cables should I need to do. So it doesn't matter whether it's an extension lead or a power lead for something, but you can join it, and it's all done, and you know it's safe and secure. Obviously, if you're working on these cables, make sure that they're not plugged in while you're doing it. State the obvious. Hope you've enjoyed it. You can do it. Subscribe or send me a comment. Bye.